So it is my pleasure to hand you the documents that confirms that you and your family have shelter based on an arrangement. And you have a lot of keys, right? So I'm going to hand over these keys to you. And of course, take care of this space. They normally do this. They normally do this. Want to give your mommy a shake of the keys?
I just want to say a special good afternoon again. I'm going to start off by a famous quote that we use at Gamestead. If you lose focus for a second, you become second. And today, I'm really happy that, at 22 years old, getting at least actually own your own place. It's quite, I don't even know the words to actually express myself, but it's just an amazing feeling, and I am super happy for all the sponsors, the government that came on board, the ministry for coming on board to assist me, NHT for just taking that phone call and coming down by Rum Lane. I was even worried for you guys' security. but I'm happy you guys I take that time out to actually come and just comfort myself and my family. Meant a lot, not just to me, but to the community. We, as Minister said earlier, we fight a lot and stuff like that, but when all of that is finished, we're one, we're loving, and we definitely look out for each other. As it concerns to them, there is still 29, I think, persons that is out of a family, and I'm so out of a home, I should say. And I am happy that the government will actually assist them in whatever area that they can. And they too have been getting, the assistance from the government. So I just want to say I thank you, a big thank you for everybody, for Grace, for NHT, for the government, for Separate, for Wiccan, for all the sponsors that have came on board.